Dedicated Gantt chart tools cost $10 to $50 per user per month. This Excel method gives you the same visualization at zero cost with full customization control. Create a date grid across columns and use conditional formatting to color cells where the date falls between task start and end dates. The result is a pixel-perfect Gantt chart that updates as you change dates. A stacked bar chart with an invisible spacer series creates floating bars at the correct positions. This method scales better for long timelines and supports milestones, dependencies, and progress bars. Color code bars by status. Add a second bar layer for percent complete, and use connector lines for task dependencies. These enhancements make the chart functional for real project management. I build both Gantt chart types from a task list with 15 tasks, dependencies, and varying durations. The final charts look professional enough for any project presentation. Download both templates from the description and manage your next project visually. Subscribe for more Excel project management techniques.